everyone, welcome to my channel. Right, it's just a tip today. Drain rods, if you watch my videos you'll know that I use them a lot, sometimes just to complete a whole job. And you get these, they keep breaking, and when they break they start to come apart, and the last thing you want is these stuck in your drain. And these plastic washers, I don't know why they use them, but so what I did, I thought, why not just remove them completely and replace them with metal washers. Both sides, front and back. Screw that back on. Make sure it's nice and tight. That's it, job done. Prolong the life of your plunger. Good to go. New ones. See what the plastic washer looks like here. These are made by Bailey's. Just pop these off. Probably keep them for whatever. Same again. Metal washers. Bolt on there. These washers are M10 and they're 50mm. You'll notice that they are exactly the same size as the plastic washer. Tighten that up. Good to go. I always keep spares. So, metal washer. Alternatively, Bailey's started doing another one here. This one is sealed, and that is sealed in there as well, and it's a pretty good fit as well. But what I'll do, you see there, Bailey Brothers. And what I'll do, I'll put a description, put a link in the description for the plungers and the washers. If you ever want to change them, as I say, because the last thing you want is it's all break like this and it starts to come apart, and these snap pretty easy. They break fairly easy, and when you're plunging into a drain they get brittle. So that's my video today. Just a quick tip. And please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.